Hey everyone, this is Amit Singh from quickdigitalreviews.com and welcome to my easy profit solution review video. Okay, so I'm here in the members area of easy profit solution. I'll be walking you through all the features and prices and upsells and downsells of this product. But first let me give an overview of this product. So the name of the product is Easy Profit Solution, and this product has launched, and I'm already late to the party. So the product has launched on 8th of July 9 a.m. US Central Time. Okay, so in a nutshell, Easy Profit Solution is a training course that will teach you how you can make money online using CPA offers. So as you all know, CPA offers means cost per actions. You would have taken many short surveys or you would have filled many forms. So when a particular person fills up a form or takes a short survey from your link, and when they complete that action, you get paid. The amount that you get paid is not that high, but it is close to like 50 cents or a dollar or two. But throughout the day, you might end up collecting a lot of revenue using this method. Okay, I'll be going through the members area, but let me take you to my bonus page. Okay, so this is my bonus page. There is a link in the description below which says get easy profit solution and bonuses. When you click that link, you will come to my bonus page. Okay, so this is my bonus page, and I have only 60 spots and 3 spots have been gone. I already sent an email to my list and 3 people have already purchased this product. Okay, so when you click this orange button which says click here to secure easy profit solution and your bonuses, you will go to the easy profit solution page where you can buy this product. When you click this button, get an instant access to easy profit solution training. Now when you click this button, you will go to the checkout page and you can buy this product. So let's go back to the bonus page. Okay, so what is easy profit solution? As I've already told you, a full training about how to make money with CPA marketing offer without selling nothing and using free traffic method. So CPA, as I've told you, is cost per action. When somebody takes a short survey or fills up a form through your link, then you get paid. So in this method you will use free traffic, so you don't have to pay for traffic. Prices and upsells: the front end price is $9.95, which is easy profit solution. The upgrade one is for $47 to $37. Easy profit solution done for you. Here everything will be done for you, like bridge page, offer selection, and anything that you need to do. Upgrade number 2 is $197. Easy profit solution mastermind, access to Sajal personal help program. Ask anything you want and Sajal will help you out. Having a personal mentor is invaluable. Upgrade number 3 is for $97. Easy profit solution reseller rights. So basically you can sell easy profit solution and you can keep 100% of the commission. Right, so this is the video that I'm making right now. So if you come to the bonus page, you don't have to watch this video because I'll replace this video with one that I'm making right now. When you click this button, you can buy this product. So giving you 8 free bonuses when you buy easy profit solution from my affiliate link, which is given in the description below. You will get all these 8 bonuses for free. So bonus number 1 is commission blueprint, the super affiliate blueprint that generated over 500,000 in 12 months. Bonus number 2 is Lingren's lazy method. Discover a newbie friendly ultra lazy method for turning 2 to 4 hours per week into $1,500 per month. Bonus number 3 is crazy traffic explosion. How to get free traffic to your offers website, drive 100 to 500 clicks a day to any link you want. Bonus number 4 is how I made $2,000 in 20 minutes with Facebook groups. Discover how Brendan was able to make 2,000 in only 20 minutes with free traffic. Bonus number 5 is 10x commission. This is the secret to $10,000 per month in your spare time. You can set it up in 30 minutes. How to 10x your commission with strategic affiliate promotions. Bonus number 6 is ultimate traffic mantra. This is a solution to your traffic problem, proven system to get massive free traffic and monetize it. Bonus number 7 is 10,000 a month online case study reveals all. Learn exactly how I make $10,000 a month sending simple emails. Bonus number 8 is how to explode your YouTube channel. How Brendan Mays has grown his channel to over 37,000 subscribers. Discover the secrets to building up a YouTube channel fast. Again, if you click this orange button which says click here to secure easy profit solution and your bonuses, you will go to the sales page of easy profit solution, and if you click this yellow button which says get an instant access to easy profit solution training now, you will be able to buy this product. I've already told you that out of 63 spots have gone, so make sure you are early on this page, because after a day or two this might get this spot might get filled up, so make sure you're early to this page. Okay, so this was my bonus page. Let's go to the sales page of easy profit solution. Okay, so I'm here on the sales page of easy profit solution. How I turn from $0 to making $200 every day with easy profit solution. It's 100% done for you. No experience required, no selling, no referral, zero risk involved. From $0 to $200 every day. Okay, so there's a video. If you want, you can go through the video. 100% guaranteed for you. You have absolutely nothing to worry about. Start generating your commission straight away. Yes, actually it is not a complicated process. It is a very simple process. No terms and conditions, which is true. Experience required. You don't need to have any experience in this. No hidden charge or investment, which is also true. You sell absolutely nothing. So basically you don't have to sell anything. People won't have to pay anything. Okay, so no referrals, 100% real results proven. You have nothing to wait for. We provide everything you need. You sell absolutely nothing. I'll show, actually these 2 points have repeated it. I will show you how to bank $100 per day, even if you are starting from zero, creating a new cool income for yourself. Okay, fine. If you click this button, you will be able to buy this product. What do you get with easy profit solution? You can just, when you come to the sales page, you can just go through the sales page. Okay, so you're getting a few bonuses with this product. The first one is explore your traffic with these six free traffic methods, which is valued at $97. Bonus number 2 is instant traffic for penny with Bing ads, $197. Bonus number 3 is Facebook ads mastery. Bonus number 4 is large solo ad vendor and list broker. Bonus number 5 is top 6 paid underground traffic sources. Bonus number 6 is free list building tools and methods. Bonus number 7 is media buying success. Okay, so you're getting some amazing bonuses from easy profit solution, and these are really good bonuses. All right, so this was the sales page of easy profit solution. Now let's jump into the members area. This is how the members area look like when you buy this product. This is how it's gonna look like. So on your left hand side you will see few options. First one is full training. Second is module 2 free traffic. Module 3 is paid traffic, and module 4 is your bonus. Fine, so this is a welcome video. Sajal will actually tell you what this product is all about and what to expect from this product. And when you go to sign up CPA network, you will get to know about a website with affiliate marketing. We have Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, and ClickBank. So in the same manner, you will have a particular website where you will pick these offers, right? Once you create an account, the third course is picking best offers. So you will pick best offers from this weird website. Once you have picked your offer, you will have to promote it. And how you gonna promote it? This is where you will get to know how you can promote your offer. And module 2 is free traffic. So here are some very very good methods where you can get free traffic to your offers. Free solo ads. You will also learn how to create free solo ads, how to get free traffic from Facebook. So this is also really good method to get free traffic, paid traffic, recommended solo ads network overview, and bonuses. And here are few upgrades which I told you in my bonus page. You can upgrade it anytime you want. I actually went through all the videos, and it is a good course. This method is really easy. You don't have to do anything. You just have to follow this simple step-by-step video course, and you will be on your way to success. It cannot get simpler than this. It is really broken down into steps and really easy to follow up. You don't have to pay for traffic. You don't have to pay for offers. You don't have to pay for nothing. So you are getting offers for free as well as your traffic for free, and you can actually start earning money from this method from the very word go, right? As soon as you are done setting up with this system, you will be able to earn a lot of money from this. Anyone can buy this product. If you're a newbie, if you're just starting up and make money online niche, you can get started with easy profit solution. You don't have to have any experience or any background knowledge or any technical knowledge. If you are a newbie, if you are just fresh to this business, you can very well earn money using this method. And Sajal, who is the creator of this product, he himself is earning $200 every day with this method. So why can't you and why can't we? So anyone can use this method. There is no restriction to that. As I've already told you that 3 spots have already gone, and make sure you are early to my bonus page, because my bonus page will expire once all the spots have been consumed, right? So okay, so this was my review on easy profit solution. I'm really looking forward to this product. Thank you for watching my easy profit solution review video. I'll talk to you later. Bye.